Party Popper, Africa. Hey kids! Let's explore the colorful world of festivals and celebrations. Rainbow? Major festivals in India. India is known for its vibrant festivals. We celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights, Holi, the festival of colors, artist palette, and Eid, a time for family feasts, pot of food. Each festival brings joy and fun. Festivals around the world. People worldwide have their own special festivals. Christmas, Christmas tree, is celebrated with decorated trees and gifts, while Halloween, Jack-o'-lantern, is filled with costumes and candy. Chinese New Year, Izakaya Lantern, has dragon dances and fireworks, and Thanksgiving, Turkey, in the USA is all about gratitude and a big feast. Traditions and customs. Festivals come with unique traditions. During Diwali, we light lamps and burst crackers, fireworks. Holi is all about playing with colors and dancing, dancer. Christmas has carols and decorating trees, glowing star, while Chinese New Year features red lanterns and lion dances, lion. Why do we celebrate? Festivals bring us together with family and friends. They're a time for happiness, sharing, and making memories. So, let's enjoy and cherish every festival with love and laughter. Party face, sparkles.